Are you intrigued by the idea that you can enjoy delectable desserts without the guilt that often accompanies indulgence? Healthy desserts for a guilt-free treat is your passport to a world of sweet satisfaction that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also supports your overall well-being. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll dive into the realm of healthy desserts, revealing the secrets of creating scrumptious treats that are kind to your health. 1. The sweet secret. In the opening paragraph, introduce the sweet secret of guilt-free desserts, a concept that might seem too good to be true. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the art of enjoying desserts without the guilt. 2. Understanding healthy desserts. Begin by defining what healthy desserts are and why they are significant. Describe how these desserts are crafted using nutritious ingredients, lower in sugar, and often featuring whole grains and natural sweeteners. 3. Balancing flavor and nutrition. Delve into the art of balancing flavor and nutrition in healthy desserts. Emphasize the use of fresh fruits, nuts, and whole grains to create desserts that are not only delicious but also nourishing. 4. Substituting ingredients. Discuss the substitution of ingredients in healthy dessert recipes, such as using Greek yogurt instead of heavy cream, or mashed bananas as a natural sweetener. Highlight how these swaps enhance both flavor and nutritional value. 5. Recipes for healthier sweets. Share a few example recipes for healthy desserts, like a Greek yogurt and berry parfait or a dark chocolate avocado mousse. Explain how these recipes are not only delicious but also promote overall well-being. 6. Portion control. Explore the importance of portion control when enjoying healthy desserts. Explain how savoring a smaller serving can satisfy your sweet tooth while still being mindful of your overall dietary balance. 7. Satisfying sweet cravings. Highlight how healthy desserts can satisfy sweet cravings without the excessive calories or sugar. Mention the benefits of enjoying these treats without the guilt and the positive impact on your emotional relationship with food. 8. The long-term wellness journey. Conclude with the idea that incorporating healthy desserts into your diet isn't just a short-term resolution, it's a lifelong commitment to a healthier, more balanced you. Encourage readers to view their dietary choices, even when it comes to dessert, as part of their long-term strategy for overall well-being. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of healthy desserts for guilt-free indulgence but will also be motivated to explore and create their own nutritious and delicious sweet treats. Healthy Desserts for a Guilt-Free Treat is a journey into a world of culinary and nutritional wisdom, where dessert time becomes an opportunity to enjoy a sweet delight that aligns with your health goals. So, let's embark on this journey to discover the remarkable advantages of guilt-free desserts for a healthier, more satisfied you. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.